Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new project on Gekko accounting software. We can add new projects either through Hours section or through Contact section. To add a new project through Hours section, click on Hours and select a customer to which you want to add this project to. So in my case, Active Limited. To add a new project, click on Active Limited, in my case, and click on Add Project. You'll be presented with a pop-up new project card which need to be filled in. If you go through Contact section, find your customer and click on this project header, and you can add new project by clicking on New Project. The same pop-up card for a new project will be presented. So let's fill in details. We need to add the project name, so I have fitness classes as a project contact name, I have Alex Brown, and project reference, I will have the same fitness classes. Okay, I can add more notes, and also I can add a default hourly rate and mark this one as a favorite project and click save. Now project has been added here, fitness classes, it's marked as a favorite, and we can delete as well as archive this project. If we go back to Hours, and this project has been added under Active Limited as well, and we can see it here. So in this episode I showed you how we can add a new project on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.